Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes White in the Weather Center. A very humid Saturday across the area, feeling tropical out there. Been tracking some active weather down in the southeast Alabama. I want to step over here to Viper, show you what I'm talking about. You can see just south of Dothan there, some tornado warnings. Houston County impacted pretty hard today with some of this active weather. All this tracking mainly east, northeast. Now, I will tell you, we don't expect any severe weather around here. And most of the wet weather that we've seen today has been all rain, not a great deal of lightning or thunderstorm activity, and most of that departing East Alabama. Looks like Jill hit it right on the mark with East Alabama getting most of the wet weather. As we move ahead, though, tonight the rainfall falls apart, dissipates, because the daytime heating's really going to be driving things here, looks like, for the next few days. Notice we got lows in the mid-60s, a very muggy night, maybe some low clouds and fog tonight, but Mother's Day, hey mom, grab the umbrella tomorrow into the afternoon. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible. This is the simulated radar, a futurecast. One thing you'll notice here is that south to north motion, that southerly flow stays in place. Now what will happen here is we're going to have some high pressure building in aloft, and what that will do is allow for a little bit more sunshine. But hey, once we get the sun, get those temperatures in the 80s, the humidity, we're going to get some scattered storms popping up every day after about 1 o'clock through Tuesday. Just be on the lookout. Keep an eye to the sky for the chance of a thunderstorm, and some of those could produce quite a bit of lightning. And really the pattern will change as we get into Wednesday. We're looking ahead towards a front that's going to move in Wednesday. This looks to be a potent little front here. It's going to bring a chance of rain and storms. I will tell you right now the severe threat looks very marginal, but this is a front that's going to push all the way through. You know, a lot of times we get into May here, these fronts start to lose that upper support. The primary storm track starts moving well north of here, so these fronts, they stall out or weaken before they reach us. But this particular front is going to bring a good chance of wet weather on Wednesday night, and then Thursday it's out of here and we'll get a taste of some cooler weather. Can you say blackberry winter? That's what we often call it around here in Alabama. We get that big chill later on in the week. Aniana, there's a look at East Alabama. You can see there some of those darker clouds in place, but you can clearly tell who's got the sun today with those 80s back across western Alabama. Overnight lows again in the mid-60s tonight, and it looks like we're going to have a mostly cloudy sky, southeast wind at 3 to 6 miles per hour. Checking out tomorrow, 84 degrees, humid, a few scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible there into the afternoon. Greatest chance after 1 o'clock and continuing through about 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. Once we lose the peak heating, though, most of the wet weather will dissipate. And you know, when we start talking like that, summertime certainly is not too far away. And a very summer-like forecast through Tuesday. Very humid, highs in the 80s. Wednesday, upper 70s, more clouds. Chance of rain Wednesday will be not only in the afternoon, but all day during the evening. About any point, a chance we could have some wet weather. Clearing out, check out that low Friday morning, 50 degrees. Now, there will be some 40s in place across parts of the area late Thursday night into early Friday. So it's going to be feeling chilly out there. Next weekend, a chance for a few thunderstorms. I'm thinking we may get some storms trying to ride in from the northwest. That's something to watch. Facebook.com, Wes Wyatt Fox 6. That's where you can find me there, or on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather if you have any questions about the forecast. Now, tonight we're on a bit later after the race on Fox 6, but I certainly hope you'll stick around. I'll have another update on the 7-day, some fresh model data to look at with an updated futurecast on where the rain will be popping up tomorrow. More on that tonight. Have a great evening.